Thursday, December 17th. This is vlog number 14. I'm gonna take you into the new shop and show you everything that's new. Time for some new updates. I want to show you one of the things the technicians are most excited about, and that's this. Our new benches. They've installed all of the exhaust hoses. They're painting the walls. They've also got all the hose reels for the oil, washer fluid, and compressed air installed. They're running the water lines. So this is my first time inside the new tool room. This is where we're gonna have like our tire balancer, our brake lathe, our tire mounting machine, and store all of our special tools that we use to fix your cars. The new service drive is completely done. They've also started painting these big beams right here white instead of the orange that they originally were. The controls for the lifts. This is the new car wash. They don't have anything installed yet, but I think next week they're gonna start installing that. The electrical is being installed. These are our overhead heaters. And this is not a nuclear bomb. This is actually the air compressor tank that is going right up there. So that's about it. Those are all the new things that are going on this week. More of that will probably be going on next week. So we will definitely keep you updated.